The 6.2-liter V8 in your Yukon Denali has a hidden flaw that can completely seize the engine. You can prevent this connecting rod failure by immediately catching the early engine tick, monitoring for sudden oil pressure drops, and upgrading your factory oil pump before catastrophic failure occurs. Many owners call this the ghost problem because it strikes with almost no warning. One day your Denali runs perfectly, and the next day you are facing a massive repair bill. The root cause usually starts deep inside the engine block. A combination of active fuel management issues and poor oil circulation leads to premature wear on the connecting rod bearings. When a bearing spins, it blocks the oil hole on the crankshaft journal. The connecting rod then overheats from extreme friction and snaps, sending metal straight through the engine block. This is the exact moment the engine seizes completely. You must listen carefully for the early warning signs. The most common indicator is a metallic ticking or heavy knocking sound coming from the lower engine block during a cold start. Do not confuse this with normal direct injection noise. If the ticking gets louder and faster as you accelerate, pull over immediately. Driving even a few extra miles will turn a manageable engine repair into a total engine replacement. Keep a close eye on your dashboard oil pressure gauge. If you see the pressure dropping below normal levels at idle, your bearings might already be failing. The best defense is proactive maintenance. Change your engine oil strictly every 5,000 miles instead of waiting for the factory dashboard sensor. You should also have a trusted mechanic cut open your used oil filter to check for metallic flakes during your next regular service.